Hi, I'm Melissa. Today's lesson is about using the passive voice with the past simple. In English, there is an active and passive voice. So today, let's explore the difference between the two. Here is my older brother Michael. He lives with his wife Carla and 3 children. Let's find out what they did last weekend. Last weekend, Michael went to Madrid with his family. In Madrid, they ate lunch. Look carefully at the sentence and we'll review it. Last weekend, my brother Michael and his family went to Madrid. In Madrid, they ate lunch. This action happened in the past at a specific time and is complete. Let's answer the questions together. Is the doer of the action known? Yes. Is the doer important? Yes. The sentence is active because of the word they, which is the subject of the sentence. The subject is the doer of the sentence. In English, it is possible to change a sentence from the active voice to the passive. Let's take a look at the same sentence in the passive voice. Lunch was eaten. Here, the object of the active voice, lunch, becomes the subject of the sentence. Let's answer the questions together. Is the doer of the action known? No. Is the doer of the action important? No. So, what is the passive and when do we use the passive? The passive voice is when the object of an active verb changes to the subject in the passive verb. We use the passive voice to focus on who the action was done on and not the doer. In this lesson, we are looking at the past simple in the active and passive voice. Let's look at another example. What else did my brother and his family do last weekend in Madrid? They visited the museum. This is in the active voice because the subject is known. They is the subject of the sentence. The object is the museum. In the passive voice, the sentence becomes the museum was visited. In this sentence, the museum is the subject of the sentence and the people who visited the museum is not important and not known. Let's move on. How can you construct a sentence using the passive? Let's take a look at the second sentence again. The museum was visited. We start the sentence with a subject, which is the noun with the article, the museum, followed by the helping verb was in the past form of to be. After that is the past participle of the verb visit. The past participle is visited. What about the different forms of the passive for the past simple? For the passive voice, here are the singular forms. In the table, there is the subject. I, you, he, she, and it. The subject is followed by the helping verb to be. We use was and were for the past simple passive. The helping verb is followed by the past participle. Let's go over the forms quickly. I was visited. You were visited. He was visited. She was visited. It was visited. Let's look at some examples. You were told it was made in Japan. What about the plural form of the passive? Let's take a look. In the table, you can see the subject, we, you, and they, followed by the helping verb were, which is the plural of to be in the past. After the helping verb is the past participle. Let's check the form. We were visited. You were visited. They were visited. Here are a few examples. We were asked to complete it. They were designed by our team. What about the negative form of the passive for the past simple? For example, the museum was not visited. From the example, you can see that we add not before the past participle. In the table, you can see how to make the negative form of the passive for the past simple. Let's have a look at the forms. I was not visited. You were not visited. He, she, it was not visited. We were not visited. You were not visited. They were not visited. Here's an example. Smartphones were not made many years ago. Let's also have a quick look at the negative short form of the passive. Let's check the forms quickly. I wasn't washed. You weren't washed. He, she, it wasn't washed. We, you, they weren't washed. Let's look at some examples. He wasn't contacted before. What about making questions with the passive? Do you know how to make them? To create the question form, you bring the verb to be in the past before the subject and the past participle. With WH questions, the WH question word goes before was or were, followed by the subject and the past participle. WH questions in the passive can also be constructed with a WH question word and a noun, followed by was or were and the past participle. Let's look at some examples. Was the book taken from here? Which products were developed by them? Now you know how to use the passive with the past simple. Today we reviewed what is the passive voice in the past simple tense. When can you use the passive? Using the passive singular, plural and negative forms along with making questions with the passive. Thanks for watching today. See you later.